are installing a green loo off-grid toilet system into a gypsy wagon that we bought off Marketplace.
Well, welcome to our gypsy wagon / green loo composting ensuite.
I feel like you've said that a few times.
Nah, first try, I promise.
The beauty of this green loo bucket system is it's the family system, which means 3 to 4 people, daily use. It can last them up to 3 months.
Depends how often you go. Some people go off more often than others, but yeah, generally a rule of thumb, 3 months. And because we're on a bush block, it could probably take us up to a year to fill it.
I'm going to be doing all the technical setup with the bucket system and the ventilation, as well as setting up the solar connection.
Green Loo have supplied us with a solar power generator. No battery or nothing, it's just a nice little box generator with a little 20 to 30 watt solar panel. It literally plugs in and plays. It's even got USBs in it, so while you're on the toilet, you can charge your phone.
So if you're in the toilet longer than necessary, your phone will never go flat.
Not that you should have your phone in the toilet anyway, especially you kids playing too many games in there. I never play games on the toilet at all. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go dig a hole. The rest is up to you.
You go dig your hole. So this is just a quick demo on how the GT120 bucket system works. Once you have a full bin, you simply replace the lid with the composting lid, which just pops on like so, and then this one's ready to go and be put underneath the toilet. You might notice that this bucket system here has wheels on it and not the others, but that's simply because you just lift it up, roll them on, they're interchangeable. And then it's just a matter of lifting the bin, wheeling it out into the sun to compost for months while the other one's filling up.
Success.
With this very easy to set up ventilating system, all your smells are gone. Doing your business on the toilet, there are 3 things that you can use in the green loo composting toilet, and that is hemp shavings, wood shavings, or peat moss. Sawdust is a big no-no as it clumps and it can actually ruin your toilet system.
So you might notice we're using cable ties. It's not a permanent fixture for this. We will be using bigger and better brackets once we get some. We're going to probably build a little shed shelter off the back of it to stop the rain getting in. And
just to seal off here because we've got power running to the outside here.
Yeah, so we definitely want to keep it all nice and dry, so we will be doing that at a later date. But at the moment, we have a green loo fully installed and we can use it. The GT120. What a bloody cracking unit it is.
It is. Can't wait to try it out.
Well, I'm first.